Open the link your friend sent you. Click on the Get Cellit Tokens button. You'll now see a pre-calculation. You can buy Cellit tokens with BNB, USDT, and even Cash. Next, connect your MetaMask wallet and approve its use with the Timecells platform. Enter the amount of BNB you want to spend and click Next. Confirm your purchase by clicking Buy Cellit Tokens and approving the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Congratulations! You've just purchased 13,395 Cellit tokens. Now click on the Open Platform button to explore your personal dashboard. Here you can view your staked digital assets, withdraw rewards, grow your community, and earn airdrops. Goodbye. See you in the next video.